Abalone is a millinery delicacy and a symbol of family prosperity in the Far East. Its texture, color, and flavor are highly appreciated in the Japanese market, where Chile is among the biggest suppliers with a production of more than 50 tons in the year 2000. South Pacific abalone, SPASA, is located in Los Molles in the center of Chile. This geographic zone is known for its natural surroundings, bathed by the southern Pacific Ocean's pure waters, far from populated areas and pollution-free. SPASA was created in 1995 with private capital and as a sister company to Seafood Resources Chile, which produces the appetizing turbot. Its aquaculture work is associated with the industry's vertical development and covers the entire production process. Broodstock, seeds, pre-grow out, grow out, feed plant, and processing plant. SPASA is characterized by environmentally friendly management, by the advanced use of cutting-edge technology, and by an efficient service that can ship products anywhere in the world. By 2005, it expects to be producing 400 tons to become the world's biggest producer of this shellfish. Its initial aim is to satisfy the demanding Far East market. While there are more than 60 different abalone species, SPASA chose the two most popular ones to produce: Japanese green abalone and California red abalone. For more than 1,500 years, the abalone has been recognized in China and Japan as a quality product in high demand and a delicacy served to nobility and emperors. SPASA has developed its own technology for the entire growing process in order to obtain a top-quality product. Its technicians take great care to obtain abalone that are absolutely guaranteed for their flavor and texture, as well as for their sanitary condition. The production process begins with the selection of broodstock, genetically chosen as the most perfect specimens for generations. These are placed in tanks with environmentally controlled light, temperature, and feeding conditions to achieve proper reproduction. Once spawning has occurred, the larvae are settled in the hatchery, where after metamorphosis, they become spat. These are fed with natural microalgae, which are abundant in Chile's ocean. The animal needs the greatest care during the spat stage of cultivation. Here, they live out their first 80 days, reaching a size of 6 to 10 millimeters. Then they are moved to pre-grow out, where they receive a different applied technology and an enriched feed that lets them reach their optimum final quality. The animal grows to 25 millimeters and is taken to grow out. Here, the animals are placed in tanks, where seawater is pumped in together with air, and where they are fed with microalgae from the kelp beds near the farming center. The whole process takes 3 to 4 years, which is the time that the abalone needs to reach an average size of 90 to 100 millimeters and weigh from 120 to 180 grams. Basically, there are two market forms. Live, for more sophisticated markets like Japan, using an advanced technology that brings an excellent product directly to the clients. And frozen, for which SPASA has created its own cryogenic freezing plant. This uses liquid nitrogen at temperatures of -160 degrees Celsius to obtain a frozen product with the characteristics of a fresh one. The company is also developing dehydrated and canned products mainly for the Chinese and Korean markets. SPASA produces abalone that fulfills all the quality requirements for meeting the highest gastronomic standards through its rigorous cultivation and processing procedures. All stages are monitored by the company's laboratory analysis. SPASA controls the highest levels of quality and hygiene, meets all the international sanitary requirements, carries out complex handling procedures, and applies a clean technology that cares for each detail of the production process for both species: Japanese green abalone and California red abalone.